Are you ready? Spring is here, and if your AC hasn't been looked at yet, you could be heading straight into a breakdown this summer. And the worst part, most of the problems that destroy AC systems start small, quiet, and completely unavoidable. That's why Marsh Heating Cooling is breaking out our 7-point spring tune-up to catch those issues early before they turn into expensive repairs. So what exactly do we do? Well, first, we check and replace your air filter. This might sound simple, but a dirty air filter restricts airflow, and that alone can make your system work harder, run longer, and cost you more every single month. Next, we inspect and clean your indoor coil. This is where your system actually removes heat from your home, and if that coil gets dirty, your AC loses efficiency fast, and your home won't cool the way that it should. Then we inspect the blower wheel. That's the key component that moves air through your entire house, and if it's dirty or worn out, you're not getting proper airflow, and that puts the whole system under stress. After that, we inspect all electrical components and check amp readings. This is where things can get serious. Loose connections, worn parts, failing components. These are the kind of issues that can lead to breakdowns or, if ignored, even cause electrical hazards. Next, we check your refrigerant levels. If your system is low, it's not just about cooling. It can actually damage your compressor, which is one of the most expensive parts to replace. After that, we clear your condensate drain line. As your AC pulls moisture out of the air, that water has to go somewhere. And if that line is clogged, you could be looking at damage, mold, or even leaks inside your home. Finally, we chemically clean your outdoor condenser unit. This is what releases heat from your home, and when it's covered with dirt, debris, and buildup, your system struggles to breathe, driving your energy bills up while shortening the life of your unit. All of this peace of mind and summer freedom for just $165. And that's not just the tune-up, that's protection for your system, your home, and your wallet heading into the hottest months of the year. So if you haven't had your AC checked yet, now is the time. Call Marsh Heating and Cooling at 814-758-0036 and schedule your spring tune-up today. And of course you want more knowledge and entertainment. Follow us at Marsh HC for more tips that keep your home safe and save you a lot of money down the road.